Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my second YouTube video, so I am a bit nervous, but let's bang it on. This video is concerned about Warlock Dragon. The Warlock Dragon is the dragon of the month of October. The Warlock Dragon has the elements legendary, of course, void and wind. Legendary is attacking an offensive attack actually. Void and wind are both supportive attacks. Warlock is a good dragon, not that of a battle type, but yeah, it's good. And as per Warlock's stats, well, here it is less and here it is more, but the reason is here the stats are for only legendary attack. So if only legend, since in all legendary, ancient and divine dragons, the primary elements, the legendary or the ancient or the divine is primary and it is unlocked by free. The rest have to be unlocked by gold and diamonds or gems, whatever you call it. So with only the legendary attack, the base stats are HP 240, damage 72, with of course base DCP is 205 and base gold per hour is 810. Well, only the gold doesn't change and the DCP doesn't change, the rest, the health and the attack changes. And finally, after all the elements are unlocked, the attack is 76 and the HP is 244, which is pretty good for a dragon. And the element requirement for this dragon is wind, earth, fire and water. Well, to be honest, Warlock is a dragon with very less possibility to be bred. For example, the highest is 2.33%, which is very low. For example, even Cleric had a lot of possibility, about 3 to 4%, which is very high. And Warlock is a very low possibility, but still we have to breed it, don't we? The best possibility combination is water plus tribal. Not only tribal, water and the other dragons are tribal, prairie, mystic, elephant, owl, orc and harpy. All of them are same during breeding, but well, I think tribal is best because the lower the, I think so. Well, I think that lower the rarity, the better chances it has to breed a dragon, something like that, maybe. Because higher the rarity, higher the elements, and higher the elements, more the possibility outcome. Anyways, so in this case, tribal, prairie, mystic, elephant, owl, orc, and harpy will do the same thing. So don't worry. So it has a possibility of 2.33%. If you breed it, the possible outcomes are boiling, ice, snow, mud, cloud, rust water, elemental, clownfish, Agnes, imperial, mask and warlock. Well, if you see her, as all legendaries have, the breeding time is 2 days and the hatch time is 2 days 9 hours, which is same for I think all legendaries. The second combo is Earth plus Agnes, Imperial, Ginger, Leviathan, Mask and Merchant. If you have any of these dragons, then you're good to go with Earth. Then the combo is Wind plus Elemental with a 2% chance. Wind plus Elemental, Cookie, Quake and Resohelm. Well, Elemental is a very good breedable dragon. If you don't have Elemental, breed it with fire plus snow or fire plus mud. That's the best combo, I think. And Razor Helm was recently available in the Divine Chest event with Chrono Poseidon. So if you have got Razor Helm there, so you're good to go. Then there's Fire plus Clownfish, Rastafari, Typhoon, Gobbler, Skater. Well, Rastafari, Typhoon, Goblin, and Skater are not breedable. Only Clownfish is breedable, so if you don't have Clownfish, then breed it. But I don't know if you'd ever do this because it has only 1.89%. I think you should do these three only. You should focus on these three. Then the fifth combo is Ice plus Lava. Here with Ice you have Cloud and Peacock, and with Lava you have Salamander, Shooting Star, Runestone, Rubyback. Runestone, Salamander, and Lava are breedable. Runestone has to be unlocked by having adequate DCP. You can get Shooting Star if you're a Windows player. You can get Shooting Star by linking your account to Microsoft account, and Rubyback is an event only dragon. Then there's Boiling and Dust. For the next 3 days at least, Boiling and Dust is the best combo because of the Breeding Blitz event. Here, Aphrodite is a cool divine. If you get Warlock, then you're good to go. And here, Dust and Boiling. Due to the Breeding Blitz event, Dust and Boiling are the best combo for now, for the next 3 days and 5 hours. After this event, Dust and Boiling are not the best. Water and Tribal's alternatives are the best. So for the next 3 days, do Dust plus Boiling, because for the next 3 days, as I told, it's the best combo. And guys who have already bred Warlock, then try and breed it with Seed to get the Divine Aphrodite Dragon. Well, who doesn't want the Divine Dragon? Well, my Warlock has to hatch. It will hatch after 1 day and 14 hours. Well, I used this combo, Water plus Tribal, and I feel that this is the best combo, and I got two. Just saw it with my own eyes. I got Warlock through this combo only. So try and breed Water and Tribal or any of the other dragons you have. So Water and Tribal is the best combo for the next whole of October, and for the next 3 days, Dust and Boiling is the best. Only for 3 days, remember. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe.